Hello everyone, welcome to Brilliant Public School online edu classes. Today we are going to continue social and political life, chapter number 1, the Indian Constitution, part 2 of class 8 social science. The learning objective of this part are as follows. The student will be able to list the key features of Indian Constitution. They will definitely be able to describe them. Let us know the key features of Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution has several features that are federalism, parliamentary form of government, separation of power, fundamental rights, secularism. Federalism. The term refers to the existence of more than one level of government in the country. In India, the governments are at the state level, center level and Panchayati Raj. Panchayati Raj is a third tier of the government. Under federalism, the states are not merely agents of the federal government, but they draw their authority from the constitution as well. In short, we can say the Indian Constitution defines the power of each government at each level at every tier. Parliamentary form of government. In this, elected representatives make laws and govern the country, for which universal adult franchise is guaranteed to the citizens of India. That means above 18 years of age, they get the right to vote. Indian Parliament has two houses, namely Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Next, separation of power. It is very important to separate powers because if it will be in one's hand, they can misuse. So herein we have legislative, executive and judiciary. Legislative means uh, it refers to our elected representative. Executive is a smaller group of people who are responsible for implementing laws and running the government. Judiciary. Judiciary refers to the system of courts in this country. In order to prevent the misuse of power by any one branch of the government, the Constitution says that each of these organs should exercise different powers. Through this, each organ acts as a check on the other organs of government, and this ensures the balance of power between all three. Don't be puzzled. What are these? These are fundamental rights. Fundamental rights, they are the basic rights provided to the citizen to protect them against the arbitrary and absolute exercise of power by the state. The Constitution guarantees the rights of an individual against the state as well as against other individuals. In addition to fundamental right, the Constitution has a section called Directive Principles of State Policy. This section was designed by the members of the Constituent Assembly to ensure greater social and economic reforms and to serve as a guide to the independent Indian state to institute laws and policies that help reduce the poverty of masses. Fundamental rights. Let us discuss all 6 basic fundamental rights. First, right to equality. Right to freedom of religion. Cultural and educational rights. Right to freedom. Right against exploitation. Right to constitutional remedies. These are the basic fundamental rights which makes every citizen same. Secularism. A secular state is one in which the state does not officially promote any one religion as the state religion. Here the citizens they have freedom to follow any religion they like. Though Hinduism is followed by 80% of the population, no religion has been declared as the state religion. You know, more points about secularism. One religious community does not dominate another. Some members do not dominate other members of the same religious community. The state does not enforce any particular religion nor take away the religious freedom of individuals. Don't you think this is the beauty of India, which makes our country so colorful? The Constitution plays a crucial role in laying out the ideals that we would like all citizens of the country to adhere, including the representative that we elect to rule us. Just like in the game of football, a change of constitutive rules will affect the game. With this, we end our chapter. Happy learning, everyone.